The moment your teen starts shutting you out is usually the moment they need you the most, but if you keep reacting the same way, you'll lose the influence they still crave from you. Every parent hits this wall. I mean, you try to be there for them, but they roll their eyes, they shut the door, they slam that door, and you're like, hold on, what you doing over there? And you're left asking, what did I do wrong? Why are they pushing me away when I'm trying to help? But here's the truth, most parents miss this. Your teen isn't rejecting you. They're rejecting the version of you that doesn't feel safe to open up to. Not because you don't care, because I know you do, but because they don't see your struggles, only your standards. And when they don't feel understood, they'll find someone else who gets them, even if it's a stranger online, where they will be easily influenced. And that's what makes this moment dangerous and powerful. Now, here are the 3 steps I'm gonna help you so you can overcome this and you can actually support them in the best way possible. So here's how to shift it and earn their respect without forcing it. Number 1, share your failures. Stop pretending you've always had it together. Like literally share the lessons you've learned, the dumb mistakes you have. Your teen connects to your imperfections, not your perfection. I mean, speaking with a lot of teens today, they all talk about, everyone puts on this cover story. No one's saying the real things, saying the real talk of what you failed at, the most miserable times you had, the biggest mistakes you made in your life, the biggest regrets you had in your life, because that's what they truly want to learn. They don't want to hear always the sunshine and rainbows. They want to hear the storms and how you got through it. And number 2, my favorite, the greatest message you can give is the one you live. You're setting that standard, baby. Don't lecture them about confidence, purpose, or discipline. Model it. Let them see you attacking your goals every single day. Let them catch you in the act of being coachable, courageous, and consistent, because these habits are caught, not taught. I mean, just think about it for a second. When you see someone, do you trust them based off their word or their actions? Most likely their actions, right? Their actions outweigh their words, and your teen is looking up to you for that. Remember, they don't copy what you say, they copy what you repeat. And what you repeat are your actions. Number 3, ask instead of just telling. Every time you tell them what to do, they hear one thing: you don't believe I can figure it out. I mean, just think about it for a second. When you were maybe a teenager and you were doing the dishes, right? We all love the dishes. And your parent walks in, your mom or dad, and they're like, hey, go do the dishes. I'm like, what in the world? I am doing the dishes. You're gonna tell me to do it? I don't wanna do it anymore. Instead of telling, why don't you ask if you truly don't know? Ask questions that make them think, what do you think your next best move is? What would make you feel proud of yourself this week? Ask and listen like it matters. Like actively listen, that means shutting your mouth and just hearing them out. We all, as humans, it's not just this generation. I've heard so many people say that. This generation was this and that. We're just like everybody else. We all want to be heard. We all want to feel valued and significant. Actively listen to them. Repeat what they say and summarize that. But listen instead of just speaking. So if you want to build those real conversations that actually get through to your teen, like boom, this is what we coach every week inside of our group coaching program called Elite Leaders. Drop the word trust in the comments, DM me trust, do whatever, and I'll send you that info. Go kill it and grow as a family, setting that standard together.